In this video, you'll learn how to create a Binance P2P merchant account. By following these steps, you will be able to set up your account and start trading effectively on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, look for the P2P option on the homepage menu. Click on this to enter the P2P section where you can find the merchant or advertiser program. Carefully review the eligibility requirements for a merchant account. It is important to note that merchant accounts require higher verification compared to standard accounts. Read all the rules and guidelines thoroughly to ensure you understand what is needed for your application. This preparation is crucial as it sets the foundation for your merchant account application. Next, you will need to submit your merchant application. Locate and click on the application form within the merchant section. Fill out all required fields accurately. If prompted, provide any necessary documents to support your application. Be sure to agree to the merchant terms before submitting your application. Keep in mind that approval may take some time, and it is essential to avoid providing incorrect information, as this could delay the process. After submitting your application, it is important to check the approval status. You can do this by returning to the P2P section and accessing the, once your application is approved, you will gain access to various merchant features, create your P2P ads responsibly, ensuring that you maintain high completion rates. Familiarize yourself with the dispute resolution guidelines to effectively handle any issues that may arise. Regularly monitor your performance within the merchant dashboard to optimize your trading activities. This ongoing assessment will help you identify areas for improvement and ensure you are meeting the expectations set forth in the merchant program. Completing these steps successfully activates your merchant account, allowing you to engage in P2P trading on Binance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.